In this video, let's see how to make soft and moist vanilla cupcakes with a juicy strawberry filling and frosted with a silky and creamy frosting on top. These strawberry filled cupcakes are to die for. Let us start by making our own homemade buttermilk, for which here I am taking in a cup of warm milk. To this, let's add in a teaspoon of vinegar, stir it, combine it a bit and then allow it to sit for 5 minutes to curdle. Now for our dry ingredients, let's start by sifting in together some maida or all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and we will also add in a cup of sugar at this stage itself and sift everything together. Generally, sugar is considered as a wet ingredient, but this is really a forgiving recipe, so we will sift it along with our dry ingredients itself. Mix it through and start adding your wet ingredients one at a time. So in goes our half a cup of oil. Any flavorless oil would work here. Followed by a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And finally the prepared buttermilk. Combine everything together until you get a cake batter like consistency. Using an ice cream scoop or a ladle, just transfer the cake batter into the muffin tin that has been pre-lined with cupcake liners. Wipe off any drips to avoid burning and then bake it in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. To make the strawberry filling for our cupcakes, we will start with 125 grams of frozen strawberries in a saucepan. To that, add 3 tablespoons of sugar, dash of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Mix that through, switch on the gas flame on medium and then combine it until everything comes together into a one single thing. Like the sugar dissolves, the strawberries are all softened and thickened a bit. Like so. Once done, just transfer it to another container, cling wrap and then let it sit in the refrigerator until completely cooled. To make the best condensed milk buttercream frosting, we will start with 150 grams of softened butter in a bowl. Using the beat function of my hand beater, I am gonna beat the butter until it is pale, lighter and much creamier in texture. This would take say around 10 to 15 minutes. You can also use a stand mixer here if you wish to. Now that our butter is all light and creamy, let's add in the magic ingredient, which is half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And then beat them together until it is well combined and stiffer in consistency. Finally, add in the color of your choice and the flavoring agent, which in this case would be strawberry essence, and beat it once again until it is well combined. Look how creamy and gorgeous this frosting looks. I absolutely love it. You must definitely try it once. And then finally, to put everything together, take your vanilla cupcakes and then pinch out the center from each of the cupcake. Like so. Do not throw away the top, you will need it. Oops, sorry. Yeah, once you gently remove the top of the cupcake, fill the center with your prepared strawberry filling. You can also use strawberry jam here if you wish to, and to avoid any of the work that we did previously in the steps before. So that's a shortcut for you, but otherwise fill the center with the prepared strawberry filling and then cover it with the top once again. To make the beautiful ruffle pattern on top, we would need the piping nozzle, which is the petal tip. Fit it onto a piping bag filled with the prepared buttercream frosting and then start piping the way that I'm gonna show you now. So the skinny side or the tapered end of the petal tip is facing towards the cupcake and the broader or the narrower end is on the opposite direction. So with that placement in hand, we will just go to and fro, simultaneously rotating the cupcake with the help of our cake stand. So we go to, fro or backwards and forwards continuously on top of our cupcake in one particular direction. So that's to, fro, to, or backwards, forwards, again backwards. Just when you reach the inner section, make sure to keep a smooth and steady hand to get the perfect rolled tip. So let me show it to you once again. You can also use this ruffle pattern to make the border of your doll cake, that is the dress of the doll. And you can also make the entire cake using this technique. It would look beautiful. And that is how you also make this cupcake pattern without using a cake stand. Rotate the cupcake using the help of your other hand, and with your primary hand or the main hand, right or left, start piping on top of the cupcake. That ruffle pattern design definitely looks complicated and intricate, but you just saw how easy it is to put it together. Moist vanilla cupcakes with juicy strawberry filled center and that smooth, silky and creamy frosting on top is sure enough to win hearts all around. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then definitely hit that like button, subscribe to Spices and Flavors for more such baking related videos. I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.